Hello guys, welcome to another computer hacks video for TechEden. My name is Shailesh, and in this video I'm going to discuss about some of the shortcut keys that you can use on your Windows 10. Okay, now first let's go through some of the old shortcut keys which is supported also in Windows 8, 8.1, 7, XP, etc, etc, etc. Let's see. Suppose I have all these apps open, and now I need to go to the desktop. Now I can either minimize all these apps and then go to the desktop, or I can just go to the desktop using this button right here at the right bottom corner of your taskbar. Okay, but what if I could use a keyboard shortcut? Wouldn't that be faster? I guess so. So we have a shortcut for that. That is Windows D. Okay, press your Windows button and the D key on your keyboard together, and you can go to the desktop at any time you want. Alright, without having to move your mouse and click the button and or minimize all the other apps and anything. Alright, and now if you want to open an Explorer window, File Explorer window, you can directly do so by using Windows E together. Okay, and it will open this PC or the File Explorer window for you. Next, I guess I'd like to say, now if you want to open apps that are pinned on your taskbar right here, you can do so using Windows and the number. Okay, see, Edge is number 1, Explorer number 2, Chrome number 3. So if I use Windows 1, it will open Edge. Okay, let me close it. Now see again, Windows 1 and voila, Edge. Well, similarly, Windows 2, it will be Explorer, and it goes on. Another would be, yes, the run command. The run command, now in the previous versions of Windows, you'd have to, go to the start menu or the start screen and then search for run here and there, and then get to it. Just use the shortcut Windows R, and there you have it. Run anything, suppose CMD. Done. Alright, and to switch between windows, you already have Alt Tab. Okay, so you can just switch between your windows. You have the Alt F4 to close, and also the Alt space to get the drop down menu that you can get on any window by right clicking on the title bar. Then you can move or size or minimize or maximize or close, whatever you want. Anyways, so that is about the old shortcuts. Now Windows 10 has introduced some new features, so time for some new shortcuts. Let's see, I mentioned task view in one of my previous videos, and to get to the task view you can use the Windows tab button. See, you can now switch between your apps and also create new desktop, whatever you want, and okay. And now if you want to create a new desktop, a new virtual desktop, you can just use Windows Control D, and see, I now have another desktop. Okay, let me create one more, and see, now I am on desktop 3. So now I have two virtual desktops. Now what if I want to switch between the desktops using the keyboard? You can always do it like this. You go to the task view and then switch, but we have a faster way. Windows Control Left. See, from desktop 3 I am on desktop 2. Now I'm in desktop 2, and to go to desktop 3 I can just use Windows Control Right. Okay, now if I want to close the virtual desktop, it will be Windows Control F4. See, now there is no desktop 3, just desktop 2. And I can close this one as well because I do not need it right now. So Windows Control F4. Now just one desktop, no virtual desktop. Okay, alright, this is done. Next, I guess I'd like to show you, now if you're working with multiple apps like this and you want to place these apps side by side, here to the top left or the top right or bottom right, or any corner, or you want to maximize that app, you can drag and drop just like I did right now. But if you want to use the keyboard for this, you can also do that. You can use the Windows and the direction keys, Windows button and the direction keys for this. Like to position it to the top left corner right here, I'll use Windows left and then up. Okay. I can move this window to the right corner right here by using Windows right now. Windows up will just maximize it. Okay, and Windows down will either restore it if you have it maximized, or if you want to minimize it, you can use Windows down as well. Okay, you can place these apps according to your desire using Windows and the direction keys. Alright, next let's see what we have. You have a nice website here. That's just an example. You have a nice website, or you have a nice screenshot that you want to share with your friends. So you can either just take a screenshot and place it on Paint and or use the Windows Snap tool and save the file, and after a year or so you can just share it. But if you want to do it instantly, you can just use Windows Edge and share the screenshot on Facebook, Mail, OneNote, Twitter, whatever sharing apps are installed on your PC. Okay, let's see next. Alright, you have opened your command prompt in admin mode by right clicking on the start button and then choosing okay, right now I have Windows PowerShell instead of command prompt, but you get the picture. Alright, so I had to right click on the start button, but if I want to use the shortcut, I can just use Windows X and I'll get this context menu. Okay, and then I can go to the power options, event viewer, programs and features, whatever options that are here. Alright, next let's see, now let's come to my favorite one. Let me minimize all these and I'll open a game. Now this is a brand new feature, just like some of the others that I showed. Anyways, now this one is to record apps. This works as a screen recorder and some other things as well. So let me just open Asphalt, and I've already opened it, and start a race, and I'll show you. Let it begin. And now you can use the Windows G to open this games bar. You can take a screenshot or you can start recording. I'm going to record right now and see. It's recording. Nice knockout. And another, and the knockout game. Oh, and at this point I'd like to stop the recording. Anyways, so you get the picture. You can choose settings, and you can set the background recording or clips, and then show tips and all these settings that you want. Then you can take a screenshot using Windows Alt print screen, and using Windows Alt R you can start the recording. Okay, that is another shortcut, and I'm getting wrecked at almost every point, so I'm going to close this using Alt F4. Of course. And why did Xbox open? I do not know. I must have opened it somehow by mistake. But anyways, you can get the video that we just recorded from the videos folder and go to captures, and here it is, your video. Okay, and the screenshot you can get from the pictures, where it is, saved pictures folder. Okay, this is all about this video. Alright, I'll see you in the next video, I guess.